Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving deep into what we proudly call the best Bissell vacuum for bagless multi-floor cleaning. The Bissell Hard Floor Expert Multi-Cyclonic Bagless Canister Vacuum, Model 1547. Let's start with what sets this vacuum apart. It's engineered specifically for hard floors, but don't be fooled, it's a true multi-surface performer. Whether it's delicate hardwood, area rugs, or standard carpeting, this vacuum has the versatility and power to handle it all. Its multi-cyclonic technology delivers powerful suction that lasts longer, giving you confidence that your floors will be left spotless with every pass. Visually, the compact design is a win. Weighing just 14 pounds, it's lightweight enough for easy carrying around the house. Whether you're moving between rooms or up and down the stairs, it doesn't feel like a chore. Storage is a breeze too. It doesn't take up much space in your closet or corner. Now let's talk about how it performs. The vacuum is powered by a 9.2 amp motor and comes with an 18-foot power cord. That's plenty of room to navigate around larger rooms without constantly switching outlets. The hose length is around 7 feet, giving you that extra reach when cleaning tight spots or under furniture. One of the standout tools is the hard floor turbine foot. It's designed to be tough on dirt and debris while remaining gentle on your floors. It doesn't leave scratches or scuffs, which is a major plus for homes with expensive hardwood or laminate. For carpets and rugs, the vacuum includes a multi-surface foot. This makes the transition from hard floors to carpets seamless. No need to switch machines or swap complicated attachments. It maintains its suction power on both surfaces, picking up pet hair, crumbs, and fine dust particles without a problem. Cleaning up after cleaning is just as convenient. The dirt tank opens from the bottom with a simple press, so you don't get your hands dirty. It holds up to 67.6 fluid ounces, so you won't be emptying it constantly. The brush system uses a rotating clear window, giving you a peek inside while it works. This is helpful for quickly spotting blockages or hair tangles before they become issues. And of course, it's corded. Some may prefer cordless, but this corded model ensures consistent power without worrying about battery life or recharge times. In terms of filtration, the vacuum uses a cartridge filter, making maintenance simple and cost-effective. Just rinse and reuse. It's environmentally friendly and easy on your wallet. So, if you're looking for a reliable, powerful, and lightweight vacuum for your home that works beautifully on both hard floors and rugs, the Bissell Hard Floor Expert Multi-Cyclonic Bagless Canister Vacuum is a top-tier choice. It delivers excellent suction, thoughtful design, and user-friendly features, all in one sleek package. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product breakdowns. See you next time.